It looks much cleaner and it looks like it's mited, but it's not. Okay, so it's Monday morning. I'm back on the job here, and I cemented these 3 tiles in. I mean, these 2 rows of tiles in. I had cut these and had just left them there on the Thursday because I didn't work Friday. So now I got these cemented in. Now I'm gonna do up here and do up here, and then the only thing left I'll have is the niche under the bench seat and on the outside of the curb. On the inside of the curb. On the outside of the curb, this GC likes to put a piece of AZAC, that's that plastic trim, which looks like baseboard, so that the baseboard will run all the way around the room without interruption. And that's perfectly fine. Not a problem with that. So now I'm gonna mix some more mortar and probably keep going up this way. I got 1 extra row over here. That leaves me 2 rows up there and 3 rows over here. So I'm gonna mix some mortar. I already got this top row cut. These are my pieces down here. So now I'm gonna just keep on going up. I got that wall done. Now I'm gonna move on to those, those 2 rows there, those 2 top rows, and then the niche and the corner seat. So these snap cutters are a big time thing, because I got to cut off about 3/4 of an inch of this off this tile. So just gonna line it up. And that's already cut. Okay, so all the wall tile is done. I'll get the niche under the bench and under the curb over there. Won't take long. And then we'll clean everything up. So here's a little bullnose hack, so you don't have to miter those corners. You don't have to miter these corners here. If you cut your bullnose square and then you put it on like that, it doesn't look good. It looks ugly because you got this big gap here. Instead, cut it a little here, so when you put it on, it looks much cleaner and it looks like it's mited, but it's not. Okay, so it's the next day again, and I showed up, I knocked out all the clips, and I cleaned up everything, like the grout lines and any thin set that was on the tile. Got it nice and clean. It's all nice and clean, nice and shiny. Nice and shiny. I finished this other niche, got that all done. So all the wall, all the tile in this shower is all done. So I'm just going to clean up a little bit. Maybe I'll pull up this cardboard and we'll take a look at it when it's all cleaned up. Okay, so the shower is all done. It just needs grout. And I cleaned it all up, but I still need to do the main floor, which I'll be starting tomorrow. So here it is here. All done. Cleaned up. Remember the 2 drains? Haven't seen those in a while. 2 sets of mixing bowls. 2 niches. 2 corner seats. All done. Finished. Okay, so these drains come with temporary drains, and this is going to be the actual drain that'll pop in there in there. I got two of them once I grab the floor.